Hello and welcome to my course, which I title Professional Digital Marketing Using the Google AdWords System. My name's Dan Greisenhout and I am the author of this course. Since 1999, I have been an internet entrepreneur and have earned over $2 million online from my online business ventures. During the last 2 years, I have become an online business and marketing instructor and now have over 19,000 students taking my courses online. I have published 9 related business and marketing books and own and operate a digital marketing agency called Awareness Digital Marketing Services. With over 35 years of professional business and marketing consulting projects behind me, I'm also considered to be a high-end enterprise systems architect and project manager, and I have led projects globally valued in the tens of millions of dollars. Some of the Fortune-level clients that I've completed work for include Air Canada and WestJet Airlines, JP Morgan Chase Bank, Gateway Inc., Ernst & Julio Gallo Wines, Blue Cross Blue Shield, TRW and the U.S. Air Force, 3M Health Information Systems, Tongyang Insurance in South Korea, Nextel Communications, MCI, New York Police Department, Hibernia Management Development Corporation, which by the way is a $1.2 billion offshore drilling venture, Ontario Hydro, and more. At one time, I was a senior consultant with KPMG Pete Marwick and also the national practice leader for enterprise systems architecture design projects for a 17,000-person IT consulting company called MCI System House. I've constructed this course to introduce you to the Google AdWords advertising system. Within the course, I will introduce you to the world of paid advertising online today. I will show you how to get set up and start using the Google AdWords system and the interfaced Google Merchant Center system, which is used for creating standout shopping ads. I'll show you how to use it as it is designed to be used, and I'll show you some advanced techniques and strategies that will help you get the greatest bang for your buck when you do use it, which will save you some money. These are professional usage techniques that many advertisers who use this system never learn, or even know that these features exist, and they can save you a lot of advertising dollars and can get you greater profitable returns on each dollar you spend within the system. Should you be taking this course? Well, you decide. But I will say that this course targets business owners of websites, digital marketing students or new marketing practitioners, and even existing marketing professionals wanting to increase their knowledge. If you take this course, you should receive the following benefits from it. You will understand the importance of doing SEO prior to using Google AdWords to initiate pay-per-click advertising campaigns. You will learn how to set up a Google AdWords account and a Google Merchant Center account. You will learn how to create a digital marketing campaign using the new Google AdWords application. And you will become proficient at using advanced Google AdWords features as professional advertisers do to improve paid advertising effectiveness. So if this course content interests you, I encourage you to sign up for this experience, and I will be looking for you on the inside.